Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView strategies. First, open your TradingView chart and navigate to the Indicators menu. Search for strategy and select one from the built-in options or your saved favorites. Once added, the strategy will appear on your chart, often with visual buy and sell signals. You'll also see a strategy tester panel at the bottom, which is crucial for analysis. This panel provides detailed performance reports, helping you understand the strategy's historical effectiveness. After adding a strategy, you can customize its parameters. Double-click the strategy name on the chart or click the gear icon to open settings. Here, you can modify inputs like moving average lengths, stop-loss percentages, or take-profit targets. Experiment with these values to see how they impact performance. The goal is to optimize the strategy for your specific trading style and market conditions. Remember, small adjustments can lead to significant changes in profitability or risk exposure. The strategy tester provides a comprehensive overview of your strategy's performance. Focus on key metrics like net profit, which shows the total profit or loss. Pay attention to the maximum drawdown, indicating the largest peak-to-trough decline. The profit factor, a ratio of gross profit to gross loss, helps assess efficiency. Review the list of trades to see individual entry and exit points, along with their respective profits or losses. This detailed analysis is vital for making informed decisions about a strategy's viability. For advanced users, TradingView's Pine script allows you to write and backtest your own custom strategies from scratch. This gives you ultimate control over your trading logic and indicators. You can also combine multiple strategies or indicators to create more complex trading systems, enhancing your analytical edge. Always remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.